Whenever I crave for another dip or sausawan para sa mga chips ko, I would always go for the avocado dip or the guacamole. So these are the ingredients, and these are just easy to make. You just chop everything, like the tomatoes, the onions, and yes, may garlic pala. So just one clove. And you just assemble everything in a bowl. So ganyan siya. So para ka lang gumagawa ng typical na sausawan but with avocado. So here's the result. So you pair it with chips and then you're good to go. It's really yummy. Try it. Really, try it.